Hey, welcome to a Wanzer Review with a Wanzer Review. And today, we're taking a look at some things. But before I start, one thing I'm going to say is going forward, I'm not going to tell y'all in the future what I'm collecting. I'm not going to say that anymore. I'm going to shut the hell up. 16 plus channel. I'm just not going to say that anymore. I'm not going to let you know next year, like, hey, I'm about to pick this up. No more of that. I'm not going to tell you my list anymore. Bam, this is what we're looking for. Oh, I'm looking at this stuff. I can't wait. If I really like something, maybe I'll say it. But going forward, I'm shutting the hell up. Just like with my accessories, I don't really tell y'all what I'm about to do, because if I tell y'all what I'm about to do and there's only one of it and I don't have the money, I'm not going to let you buy that before me. That's the rule, too. You never tell the audience before you buy what you want. Period. So on this one, this figure, man, I told myself, like, man, it would suck if you had to buy that figure. You'd have to buy two off the brick just to get all the weapons. So just so you know, this is a DC Multiverse figure. So if you don't collect DC Multiverse, you can go ahead and turn off now. But if you do, stay tuned. You might like this one. So I had to get 3 figures to get the one figure that I wanted. So let me go ahead and stop talking around it. I got the Peacemaker. I've watched Suicide Squad, The Suicide Squad. The Suicide Squad is where he came from. And then I watched Peacemaker Season 1 and 2. I did not like the ending of Peacemaker Season 2. It sucked. Season 1 of Peacemaker was great. I thought it was awesome. That's what he looks like with the helmet on. But this is like the 2021 version. The body doesn't change, but the head sculpt will in a minute. Let me back this up just a little more. So, yeah, Peacemaker. It doesn't have any like ab articulation or anything because it's like a rubber suit over the body. And I don't like the elbow. The elbow looks really ugly. Look how ugly that is. It's terrible. And when you open it up, hold on, let me change the lighting on this. There we go. Yeah, the elbows don't look good from behind, but who's going to see it from behind? But even the side looks weird. I don't like it. This figure is not that great. I don't know why they did a deluxe version of this. Anyway, he comes from the Connect and Collect, Build-A-Figure wave, if you will, King Shark from the movie. So that's what he comes from. Yes, this is a DC movie figure or show figure from HBO Max, but this is the Suicide Squad version, so this is the one. And the reason why I bought this figure, and like I said, you have to buy 3 of them, is if I wanted the sword that has like the little like emblem on there for him. This is his sword. But also this version came with the gun that comes in that multi-pack when he didn't come with guns. And it has the silencer on it, even though it's a different color, handle and color of the gun and silencer, because it's all supposed to be like solid, shiny chrome and a white handle. But this one comes with the silencer and it's all black and the handle's black. But this is the gun you want. Like, this is cool as shit. So that's why I bought it. This one was like $44, and he also came with the King Shark parts and everything too. So he was expensive, but he came with this gun, and I was like, I don't have to buy the pack for that, so that's convenient. I'll pay for it. So that's what I did. And the head sculpt is just okay. So anyway, so then I went ahead and bought this one for $16. This is the regular John Cena head sculpt, same body, but he's got a rip at his pants right there. So just so you know, there's like a rip. Yeah, rip right there. It's the way this thing is set up. It just sucks. So, there is a little bit of movement, but that's what his head looks like. Hold on, let me fix this up a little bit. Sorry about that. I'm downstairs in the basement. I don't do it as much anymore. I'm trying to give you all a little different area. Take some of this light away too. Jeez Louise, it's bright. Hopefully y'all can see that head sculpt of John Cena. So yeah, that's him. And the only reason why I bought him for $16 free shipping is he comes with the hatchet that he killed people with in that like hut area. And he used the sword too. So having both of the weapons is what I bought it for. But the fact that it came with this gun too, I was like, oh my God. Yeah, so these weapons are why I bought these figures, okay? But then I saw this. This was later on. I was like, oh man, Peacemaker came out and the theatrical version with the freaking belt. Like, all it is a belt and a holster and a better helmet sculpt. I'm like, come on, man. And I decided to step my my everyday carry game up, and I got a better knife. So yeah, and I just missed the tape. Come on, man. Trying to be cool. Bye-bye. Heck yeah, I love my olive green. Yeah. Even my cell phone case is olive green. All right, let's get him out of here. Oh, we got another piece of tape. Why not? I just got this knife today. So, hell yeah. Benchmade. Oh, man. So I'm just opening this up now for you guys. I haven't done this in a while, so I thought I would. So that's the back of the box. The back of the card. Let's take this out. Well, let's try to take too much time doing this because we're already at 5 minutes. The card is cool too. I like the card. Reminds me of the show. So that goes over there. There's the back of the card. There's got a new stand. Now it has color on it right before he leaves. They should have did that in the beginning. Let's see if I can do this without the knife. There's Eagly. He looks cool. Looking great. Oh, man. The pistol, though, right? That's what it's really all about. I'm not gonna lie. This pistol is sick. It's like, it's got an extension on it. It's not even a silencer. It's just like an extension. I'm not a total gun guy, but that is cool. I've got all of Peacemaker's official weapons that they've made now. Like, that's pretty cool. He's got his little symbol on the handle. That is cool. Okay. Give me a second. I'm just not trying to cut the figure because it's a sharp knife. Oh my God, it's sharp. Come on. All right, we got it. One more. Actually, a couple more. Jeez. Can we do it? All right, 1, 2, and a 3. All right, we're done. Nice. Hold on, one more thing. We got tape. We got the face. Get that off. Dang, it's not this retarded shit. Oh, man. I shouldn't have said that. Oh, so sorry, y'all. So sorry for saying that. I cannot edit this. So sorry. I have special needs in my own family, so I know better. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyway, these helmets are amazing. But I will say, though, this show does not hold back. They say that word in the show. So if you watch Peacemaker, you know, like, the show is unhinged. They cuss. They show everything. I wouldn't even, this is not for kids. Wow, that is so cool. That belt looks so good. Why couldn't we have gotten this earlier? Jeez, man. Come on, man. Like, I'm tired of these companies not getting the right, like, artistry. Like, come on. It's just a little bit of a hole. And then there's the holster. Oh my God, a holster. Wow. Yeah, like, you couldn't even do a holster, guys. This is ridiculous. So I got to see what this guy looks like without a helmet. Does this pop off? Are these just extra helmets? How does the helmet come off? Oh, wow. So that's what he looks like. I was wondering. Okay. Excuse me. I just had like 710 earlier. I apologize. So we got to do the one with like the horns. This is like my favorite. Bruh. Dude. This is dumb. It has to like click in. Man. Man, sorry about that. Come on now. This is not easy to do. Hold on. Let me pop the head off. So sorry. Okay, so we just put the head in. All right. So you need to take the head off to just clip the head in correctly. And that's what the peg looks like. It's not pretty. Okay. So that's what we're working with here. This figure is tall. So that's Peacemaker with the blue and like the spiked helmet in a way, if you will, with the horns. But the articulation on the figure is not great. It's oof. Jeez. I gotta fix the ball peg. All right, there we go. Yeah, I gotta put this figure. I just opened up. Y'all just saw it. So, oh yeah, I am a little inebriated. Just so y'all know if I'm stuttering a little bit. Sorry. A little White Claw. Oh man, a little 710. So yeah, this figure's cool. I like it. Sorry for the silence. Oh man, there's something on his chest. No. 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 Paint defect. Hopefully I can get that off with like hand sanitizer. Jeez, are you kidding me right now? Ugh. Man. I hate that. Ah, that's ugly. Both of these guys are straight, but not this one. And their symbol on the chest is smaller than the newer one, if you didn't know. Symbol on the chest, small. Symbol on this one is like bigger. I'm sorry for the light. I tried my best. Man. Yeah, but he still has that ugly elbow. Ugh, look at that elbow. Ew. But you know what's cool though? You could put that gun in that holster. Oh, snap. Oh, come on. Wow, look at this. Can't even put the gun in the holster. There it is. Gun is in the holster. Okay. All right, I'm going to put the big gun in his hand. Jesus, his hand is stiff. All right, cool. The one with the silencer on it. Let's give him the hatchet because he did a lot of killing with that hatchet. I know this video's going on for a while. Hopefully you all watch. Until then, I apologize. This was a long one. I should have made it a little shorter. I shouldn't have been drinking prior. That's on me. So yeah, that's the extra helmet that comes with the other one. Let's do the comparison real quick before this gets too long. Well, it's already too long. So that's the old one and that's the new one. This one does not come off. So this one over here is a little shinier. But I like it. This one's not bad though. New head sculpt versus old. They're not bad. This one is better, but this one isn't bad though. So it's all good. So I can show you all some other stuff in another video. I'm just gonna take this hoodie off and it's gonna look like I'm wearing something different. So he's got his axe and his gun and his pistol. He's got his eagle. He's ready to go. You know what I mean? Got your stand, so you can stand him up because he's not gonna probably stand by himself because these ankles are terrible. They look stupid. I don't really like this body. I just like the character, like from the movie and from where we are now. And yes, I'm gonna keep this gun in the holster. And I love all the weapons, so he is complete. You know me. He is a maximum DC multiverse figure. Or like we like to say on Wanza Review, we like to say complete. He's complete. Straight up complete. And I am happy about that. So I hope you all enjoyed this. This was a little long. I do apologize. Sorry about that. Shout out to the EDC community, Everyday Carry. Or yeah, just EDC. And I will talk to y'all later. I'm gonna have another video. And if you got this far, it's going to be for a giveaway. Peace.